Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off channels for storage on your WeChat app. We will go to turn off this mark or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then you come here to next window here or this window and you just click here on settings. Then you come here to settings window and you just click here on my information authorizations. Then you come to next window here and you just click here on system permissions and you come to a next window here. Then you just click here on storage. Then you come to a next window here. Then you click here on channels and you come to a next window here. Then you just click here on this color or this mark, and like you see color it's gone, that's main channels, it's turned off now for star storage. So that's all. I wish now I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.